Closing arguments start tomorrow during the trial of a former Los Angeles Angels employee charged with giving pitcher Tyler Skaggs pills that killed him in Southlake in 2019.
Eric Kay's lawyers brought out more former teammates who described how opioid use was widespread among the Angels team. And while they all admitted they got pills from Kay, some players have testified Skaggs had other sources. Fox 4's Macy Jenkins is live tonight in Fort Worth with the update. Macy.
Hi, Heather and Steve. Now, this is a tricky case because the defense is not arguing that Kay never provided drugs to Skaggs. They're just saying that he wasn't the only one. Several players testified that Kay was their go-to guy, their go-to source for oxycodone. Now the defense has to hope the jury believes that he was just one of many. After a week of testimony and cross-examination, the prosecution and defense will present their closing arguments on Thursday. Throughout the trial, the 8 baseball players who testified described drug use as rampant within the Angels organization, happening in the clubhouse, dugouts, and even at training camp. On Wednesday, the jury heard from Blake Parker, who played for the Angels in 2018. During questioning, defense attorney Reagan Wynn asked, "Did you ever receive pills from Eric Kay?" Parker replied, "Yes." The attorney asked, "How many?" Parker said 10. But what the jury did not hear was testimony from Kay himself. Former federal prosecutor John Tickle is not involved in this case. He calls it a strategic move for the defense.
Why open it back up by putting him on the stand and raising more questions that raise other questions and make him look not so good in the jury's eyes.
In total, 5 former Angel players testified they got oxycodone from Eric Kay, supporting the prosecution's argument that Kay was Skaggs' sole source of oxycodone. But the defense got a couple of them to admit that Skaggs had other drug sources and that they too had other drug sources.
We're still going, will we ever really know?
Earlier this week, a drug dealer testified he also sold drugs to Skaggs, but he said he never dealt oxycodone. While the testimony may support the prosecution, Tickle says it also could support the defense.
It just depends on what the total evidence is and how much of an impact that one particular piece of evidence has.
Wednesday's testimony also included discussion of how secure it is at the Long Beach airport. The defense implying it could have been possible for Skaggs to meet a different dealer before his flight to Texas. Tickle says the key question is whether or not the defense created enough doubt throughout the trial for the jury to find Kay innocent.
It's like a built-in argument for them. It's rampant within the major leagues, and there are a lot of people who are out doing it. There's no telling who and where. No telling who and where this came from.
Now, closing arguments begin tomorrow morning at 9:30. If Kay is convicted, he could face 20 years behind bars.